Assalamualaikum students, hope you will be in the good health and iman. May Allah keep you safe with all the bad and evil things. Always be happy. Let's start our lecture 2 of the chapter The Trap. We have read the story. It was beautiful short story in which you have learned a lot of things. Now solve the question answers. Exercises comprehension. Answer the following question the way like this. You will have to write in your notebook. First page, the trap, words to know. The trap, exercises, comprehension. Answer the following question. Now, first read all of the question. Why was the road unhappy? How did people hurt the tree? Who let the tiger out of the trap? Who put the tiger back into trap? Do you think that the block was very strong? So, the trap exercises comprehension. Answer the following question. Why was the road unhappy? The road was unhappy because people hurt it by walking and riding on it. Why was road unhappy? The road was unhappy because people hurt it by walking and riding on it. I am going to repeat third time. Why was the road unhappy? The road was unhappy because people hurt it by walking and riding on it. Question B. How did people hurt the tree? How did the people hurt the tree? How did the people hurt the tree? People hurt the tree by eating its fruits and cutting its branches. The people hurt the tree by eating its fruit and cutting its branches. The people hurt the tree by eating its fruit and cutting its branches. Who let the tiger out of the trap? The boy let the tiger out of the trap. Who let the tiger out of the trap? The boy let the tiger out of the trap. The boy let the tiger out of the trap. Question D. Who put the tiger back in the trap? The clever jackal put the tiger back in the trap. The clever jackal put the tiger back in the trap. The clever jackal put the tiger back in the trap. The clever jackal put the tiger back in the trap. I am going to repeat the sentences again and again so that you may be cleared in pronunciation, and also it will be easy for you to write. Do you think that bullock was very strong? Yes. I think it was very strong. Our second topic, the questions A to E are done, discussed. Read the passage again, then say if these sentences are true or false. The bullock was pulling a cart. No. The trap was very strong. Yes. The tree helped the boy. No. This is also false. The boy was not very honest. False. The jackal was very clever. True. Okay, I have marked tick and cross. You also can write T and F. T for true, F for false. Use these words in sentences of your own. Friend, immediately, rubbish, awful, lucky. Working with words. Friend, a friend in need is a friend indeed. You will have to make your own. These are for your help and for your guidance assistant. It is good that students are going to make, if the student will make their own sentences. Immediately, we immediately go to hospital. Rubbish, throw the rubbish in the dustbin. Awful, the boy had an awful cry. Lucky, you are lucky man. You are a lucky man. So these are 5 words. They are being used in the sentences. Choose the correct word from the box and fill in the blanks. Extra, agree, throw, suddenly, foul, awful, decide. Choose the correct words from the box and fill in the blanks. The jackal decided to help him. They will not agree to save me. This is an awful trap. I can't get through the bar. These are being done for you. Now here you will have to draw the lines. As you can see that I'm using the camera as well, and also I am writing as well. So you all must have to draw the straight lines with the scale. Okay, straight 3 lines. Put these words in alphabetical order, A, B, C, D, E. So first letter is bag, dog, knife, short, part. This is jumbled. So bag, dog, knife, part, short. These are alphabetically organized. Talk, drink, now, drop, shirt. Drink, drop, now, shirt, tall. Alphabetically they are organized. Bring, play, this, that, dog. Bring, dogs, play, that, this. They are also organized alphabetically. Match the following. A thing made of wood with 4 wheels, that is a cart. A thing made of metal and wood is knife. A thing made of metal and wood is knife. A thing made of cotton, a shirt. A thing made of glass, a mirror. A thing made of paper, a book. So match the column and learn them as well. Learning about language. Negatives. Add not to the following sentences. You will have to change or add some other words too. As you know that when you will add not, you need a helping verb. If there is already helping verb like is, am, are, was, were, did, do, does. If there is already helping verb, there is no need to add more. If there is not a helping verb, you need to add some helping verbs. Like the boy was sad. There is helping verb was. So you will simply write the boy was not sad. You will use not after the was. The boy told the story. There is no helping verb. The boy did not tell the story. The work will like this. People eat my leaves. People does not eat my leaf. The tree laughed. The tree did not laugh. The tiger caught hold on the boy. The tiger did not catch on the hold on the boy. They have done for you and also shown how to do this work. Students, it was very easy for me to write with permanent pen or blue pen. I have used lead pencil to show you that your presentation should be the same like this. Learning about language. Negative. Add note to the following sentences. The boy was sad. The boy was not sad. The boy told the story. The boy did not tell the story. People eat my leaves. People does not eat my leaves. The tree laughed. The tree did not laugh. Tiger caught hold of the boy. The tiger did not catch hold the boy. Now here you will have to write your own sentences and then change them into negative 1 or 2 sentences of your own. Let's come toward the next topic, listening and speaking. Their most important topic to improve your speaking skill. Say the following tongue twisters aloud a number of times. Then the 10 thick teeth bit through the 3 thorns that the thin tree thrust forth. Yes, Russ uses his bus pass by. Chris says he has lost his pass. I have read, you will have to read. This is actually crisscross words. Composition. Do you think tiger broke out of the trap again? How did you get out? Write about it and draw a picture. So, the page has been done for you. Composition. Do you think the tiger broke out of the trap again? Write about it and draw a picture. The picture has been drawn for you. Make a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Make a block box of 5 lines. Draw a tiger. You can also draw different things. Also write the description on these pages. The description you will have to write by your own about the tiger. Leave this column finally for the assessment. This is your copy pattern.